Galactosemia. Introduction. Which of the following deficiencies causes galactosemia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Deficiency of an enzyme needed to process galactose. 2. Deficiency of galactose. 3. Deficiency of lactose. Correct. Galactosemia is caused by a deficiency of enzymes needed to metabolize the sugar galactose. In which of the following foods is lactose usually found? Choose one of the following options. 1. Dairy products. 2. Meat. 3. Oil. Correct. Lactose is found in dairy products such as milk or cheese. People with galactosemia cannot process milk. Select true or false. Correct. People with galactosemia cannot process any kind of milk, whether it is human breast milk or milk from animals such as cow milk that we buy at the store. They also cannot process anything made with milk or dairy products. Which of the following is true about people with galactosemia? Choose one of the following options. 1. They inherit the disease. 2. They lack an enzyme. 3. They have problems using dairy products for energy. 4. All of the above. Correct. There is only one type of galactosemia. Select true or false. Correct. There are different types of galactosemia, and they differ in their severity. One such type is called Duarte galactosemia and is much less severe than the classical type. If galactosemia is not treated right away or not at all, it can cause learning disabilities. Select true or false. Correct. Untreated galactosemia can cause developmental disabilities. All people with untreated galactosemia have the same symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Galactosemic people who are not treated have different symptoms. A galactosemia carrier, ND, does not have symptoms of galactosemia. Select true or false. Correct. A galactosemia carrier does not have symptoms of galactosemia. Even though there is one defective D gene, the good N gene is strong enough to make enough enzymes. A child ends up with galactosemia when both parents have a defective D gene and both pass it on to their baby. Select true or false. Correct. If a newborn was not screened for galactosemia, which one of the following symptoms is likely to show first when the baby is fed milk? Choose one of the following options. 1. Cataract. 2. Learning disability. 3. Vomiting. Correct. Vomiting and various feeding difficulties are usually the first symptoms of untreated galactosemic infants. Treatment for galactosemia consists of eliminating all milk-related products from the diet. Select true or false. Correct. If a baby is diagnosed early and milk products are strictly avoided, he or she will probably have a fairly healthy life. Thank you for using Explain.